Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Today I talk about an important topic. The topic name is power of belief. Dear friends, you all know that the word belief is brief like honey. Even though the word belief is very short, but its value extremely high. The most important thing in our life is relationship, and not no matter what kind of relationship it is, belief is always best and the most essential parts of it. Whether it's your relationship with your friends, with your family, or even can survive without belief. I always remember if will become a trustworthy person, people will be happy. People will be happy with you. They will like you. They will love you, and they will believe in you. Everyone and at the end of the day, you will be able to achieve success in your life. So friends, always remember, belief is really power of. So everyone always remember that belief is real power of our life. Thank you everyone.